Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you are unable to update your Windows 11 because of this error code, that is 0x80240438. So if you are receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to go to Windows settings and then you can go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option, hit pause. Once it is paused, click on resume updates and let the update complete and then check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Now find Windows Update in the list, scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted. And then make a right click, click on restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to again automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now once this is done, now you can go back. If you see retry option, you can hit retry, update it again and then check. Still not working, in that case you can run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run Windows PowerShell as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Then copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now once this is done, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once done, run the third command, again paste it, hit the enter key. Once done, run the last command. Once this is done, now restart your PC. Restart is a must. After this, after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, you can run these commands. These commands are also provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box and then make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Now once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Now once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Now over here you can, this will take you to Microsoft Update Catalog website. Over here you can write down the name of the update. So whichever update is giving you the error code. So this is just an example. Whichever update you are unable to install, you can write down the name of that update and then click on search. This is just an example. You have to write down the update which you are unable to install. Now over here, check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. Check your Windows version. In my case, the version is 25H2. Now open Windows settings, go to system, go to about option, check your system type. So for me, the system type is 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2x64 based system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Click on download and you have to click on that update, and then in my case it's KB5083769. So whichever is the name of the update, you can click on that update and let the download complete. Now once the download is complete, you can click on this file. Once the download is complete, click on this file and follow the on-screen instruction to install this update manually. And once it is complete, restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to close all third-party applications. So make sure only the Windows update is running. Rest close all the application services, everything. Uninstall third-party anti-cheat program. Like if you have Faceit, anti-cheat, Riot, Vanguard, you can uninstall it, restart your computer, and then update your Windows 11. If you have any third-party antivirus like Avast, Norton, Bitdefender, McAfee, whichever antivirus program you have, you can disable your antivirus program while installing the update. Once you're done installing the update, you can enable your antivirus program once again. Still not working? Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to Advanced option, scroll down, click on Recovery. Here you can see Fix Problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on Reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is complete, restart your PC and then update your Windows 11. Now the next step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this page here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run the CXE file. Now when you run the CXE file, click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save and let the download complete. Now once the download is complete, this process will take some time. Once done, click on finish and then let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, you can go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to update your Windows 11 successfully, and you should not receive this error code anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.